Well, hello and welcome back to SJ Rips. Today we're back with another one-piece box. This box looks fantastic. Unfortunately, it has been quite destroyed in the mail. So looks very nice though. I think this is number 5, possibly. 20 packs, I think, in this box. Opens up, and the inside the packs might be destroyed as well. So this is Dressrosa. And we'll get into them. Ooh, these are nice. So these are the regular base cards. I know all these characters. Rebecca. But I'm not going to remember most of the names. So Zorro. Another Rebecca. Oh, that's an SR. So the SR Rebecca's different to the R one. And then we have, ooh, not sure, that's it's an NH. Luffy and Doflamingo. Nice. Next pack. And we got Frankie. One of the little people. Doflamingo. Then we have an SR of Trafalgar Law. And then we have an SR of Tony Chopper. I think there's just a different pattern between the SRs and the Rs. So the SRs have a pattern through them. And then we have an SSR. That was Doflamingo's brother. Very nice. Okay, so we have a Chopper, Luffy, an SR of Frankie, and we have an SSR of Bartholomew. Doflamingo. They're starting to repeat already. Sabo. Chopper. Zorro. Then we have another NH. Frankie and the Soldier. Zorro, Robin and Usopp. Luffy. Is it repeating already? Then we have an SR of Nami. We have an SR of Trafalgar Law. And we have another SSR that was the same as the first one. Sabo chopper. We have an SR of Robin. Then we have another SSR. Very nice cards, these ones. Koala. Robin. Zorro. We've got an SR of I know who he is. Cannot remember the name on that one. Sabo. Sabo one is very nice. And we've got an SSR of Trafalgar Law. Nami. Got an SR of Sanji. There's all zeros behind Sanji. SR of Luffy. We have an SSR of Cavendish. Nice. So we have an R of Bartholomew. Law. An SR of Doflamingo. And we have an SR of Brooke. And we have an SSR of Doflamingo. We have Usopp. We have an SR of Frankie. An SR of Usopp. And there's another SSR that's repeated already. Came to the second half of the packs now. Oh, got Sanji. Brooke. So, yep. SR of Zoro. SR of Rebecca. And another SSR of Cavendish. And we've got an SR of Law, an SR of Chopper, and oh, we have another NH. Very nice. Brooke, Usopp. We have an SR of Robin, an SR of Nami, and we have an SSR of Sabo. Doflamingo. Sanji. An SR of Sabo. Another SR. And then we have an NH. Doflamingo, Law, and Luffy. Very nice card. Luffy. We have an SR of Luffy. Oh, and we have a UR. There we go. Very nice. Sabo, Chopper. Then we've got an SR of Brook, an SR of Sanji, and an SSR of Bartholomew. Koala. Robin. Zoro. We have an SR of Usopp, an SR of Doflamingo, and oh, we have a Chopper. Oh, that is cool. Tony Chopper. That is one nice card. Another SR of Rebecca, SR of Frankie, and we have an SSR of Doflamingo, which is another repeat there. Bartholomew, Law. We have an SR, sorry, of Chopper, an SR of Zoro, and then we have another NH. Very nice. Final pack. Chopper, Luffy, an SR of Nami, thought that was damaged, but it's just the picture up in the middle, an SR of Law, and we finish off with an SSR awesome. Thank you for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you did. And you are. And that very nice card, Chopper. Luckily we had no damage missed cards this time. And we'll see you next time. Thank you and bye for now.